Hi, welcome back. Today's job is we're building a living wall water feature on this wall here. Grow herbs and things out of it. Put on the screen now a couple of other ones I've done before in the past. Never recorded them ones, but we're going to record it this time. So this is what we've got going on here today. Let's go. Done the casketing now, that's what it looks like. Void in there for the water to sit at the bottom. Now we're going to start doing pipes and all the other bits. Right, got the rubber liner, nice thick rubber liner, look. Got that all fitted, and I'm going to fit that now, and then onto the top and all the water bits. I've got the bar in that holds the stones up, got the liner in, and now we're on to doing the mesh. Alright, both bits of mesh are in. That's what holds the stones in. Now we're going to put all the supports in. Got all the cladding done now, so all the nice edges on it cut off. I'm going to give it a creosote and then start thinking about putting the pump in and putting the stones in. Right, it's all been stained now, so what we're going to do is wait for this to dry and then return tomorrow, put it together, put the stones in there and put the pump on, and it's finished. Happy days. Right, all the stones are in, the water pipe's in, all clipped up. Just clean out the bottom, put the pump in, and water and it goes. Because we're basically into November, this is actually supposed to have plants in it, but we can't actually get them at the moment in the garden centre because they don't actually stock them because it's the wrong time of year. But we will actually be putting plants in this over the next few months. Get to spring and we'll be back to put some plants in it. Happy days.